There is a reason why most people's dreams are so negative, yet almost nobody talks about this reason. Every single night, all of us are having an astral projection. Whether you know how to astral project or you don't know how, you're still projecting every night. I can guarantee it to you. And the reason that I can guarantee it is because every single dream is from the astral plane. So whatever you're dreaming about, you are somewhere in the astral plane. But the thing is, there is different densities or layer or level or whatever you want to call it of the astral plane. The physical plane where we are is what we call as the 3D. Time is 4D. It's more than just time, but anyway, let's keep it simple. And the astral realm is in the 5th density. But the thing is, when you sleep as any regular unconscious man, the body and the mind fall asleep, you never remember the moment when it happened. And what happened is, you enter the lower 5D astral realm. And in this realm of existence, you are now easily affected by beings who want to take away your energy. And their way to take away your energy to feed themselves is to make you have negative dreams, nightmares, confusion, all sorts of any negativity, in fact. You know how for most of us our dream always feel gloomy, like if there is a weird energy, there is a lack of light, there is always a vibe of like if something is lacking in your brain, you're not operating like you should be operating. And that's the reason, is because you have entered the lower 5D astral realm. And this will limit your spiritual evolution. It will limit your happiness, your joy, and it will enhance your possibility to be depressed, to be sad, to feel anxious, to feel any negative emotion. Because if every night that you go to sleep, you're experiencing something negative, then of course, it's going to affect you. You're going to feel it within your system. So the way to solve this is to learn how to astral project consciously, or at least to allow your brain to be in a higher vibration as you fall asleep, so that even if you're not conscious about the astral projection, you're still going to be in the higher 5D realm. So you know, when you die, it is known by yogi that whatever you think about, whatever is your karma, whatever is your energy, this is what you will be using for your next incarnation. This is what will determine what kind of human life you will have, what kind of human body you will have, or even if you will reincarnate as an animal. And when you fall asleep, also the moment of falling asleep will determine not about your next incarnation, but about what happened for the whole night. So how your vibration are in your brain, your emotion, your feeling, it affects it. So if you fall asleep in unconsciousness like any asleep regular man, lower 5D. But if you fall asleep in consciousness as you are Zen, as you are fully present, aware, here, now, you enter the 5D, the higher 5D astral realm. So if you want to do it, whether it is just to have an astral projection because you want to, if you just want to get rid of all of your nightmares, if you want to get rid of your insomnia, or you just want to use it to grow spiritually, whatever is your reason, it will be immensely beneficial in your life. And all that you have to do to allow this phenomenon to happen and to bring yourself to the higher 5D, either consciously or unconsciously, is to fall asleep in the method that we call as yoga nidra. It means that when the mind and the body fall asleep, you as consciousness is still fully present, fully aware. When this happens, either you will have a conscious astral projection, or it will not happen, but at least you will dream with greater vibration within your mind, which will rejuvenate you, energize you, help you to grow spiritually. And in fact, this is even proven scientifically, that when we are into this state that we call as turiya, which is when body and mind fall asleep but you are awake, great healing happen within the body. The frequencies of your brain are truly different according to the machine that has been measuring this. So the method, just like I said, you gotta just remain aware. present as body and mind fall asleep. It sounds so simple. It's just as simple as this, but the mind likes things to be complicated. So I'm going to give you more insight on how you can do it. The first method that can be very helpful is as you close your eyes. You know how when you look at the sun, you then look away, there is a lot of sunspots, like multicolor light. Well, when you close your eyes, they are always here. It's never fully dark or almost never fully dark. So as you close your eyes, just take a moment to witness them, not to pinpoint a location that you're trying to look at into the darkness, into a color or whatever. Instead, have a broad focus that is seeing everything as one, yet focusing on nothing. This is the method that I call as the inner movie, which I share in my Astral Projection Made easy ebook that you can get for free. So this is the first method. Watching this inner movie, it will help you to remain conscious because you'll have something to watch so you won't just be drifting around. The second method that you can use to again allow yourself to be aware as the body and mind fall asleep is to watch the gap. The gap in between each mental word. So whatever sentence you're having, there is a silence in between both. Focus on it because where attention goes, energy flows. And as you will focus on the silence will be growing exponentially. This will make you meditative. This will make you zen quickly. And it will allow you to make this phenomena happen much faster. So this is the second tip that you can be using. And the third tip that you could be using to make this phenomena happen is to focus on the energy of nothingness. If you close your eyes, it is for you to decide if your consciousness, your attention is in your brain, in your eye, in your body, but similarly, it doesn't have to be within. It can also be within and without at once. It can be the nothingness itself. And if you close your eyes and you just do it, try to feel the emptiness in your body. As you start to feel it, you'll notice that it feels like gravity is changing. It feels like space. Then expand your horizon of feeling outside of the body. Feel also the nothingness which is around your body. And at some point, the inner nothingness and the outer nothingness will become in harmony, will become one, and you will lose all bodily sensation, and the mind will be utterly quiet, because your focus will be beyond the 3D world. The more that you focus on the invisible realm, the easier and the faster that you can get to the invisible realm, because you can only enter it when you are nobody, nowhere, not trying to do anything, and not trying to be anything. So let me know how you feel about those techniques and if you want to try them. And if you have a technique for astral projection that truly works beyond pretending, feel free to share it. I'm always open to hear about some other practices. So thank you for watching this video. I'm Simon, and together we grow spiritually beyond pretending. Hare Krishna.